Good day. After this video, I'm sure that you will understand integers. So we are going to deal with a basic understanding of integers. Let's say you are participating in the amazing race. And on one day, you get your task. And your task reads as follows. It says, go to the building on your left-hand side. Start at the second floor. Go 3 levels up. Go 2 levels down. Go 1 level up. Go 6 levels down. Go 1 level up and go 2 levels down. You will receive your next clue on this floor. Where are you going to be? Let's make a picture and see if we understand where we will end up. So if you enter the building, you are at ground floor. So if you move up, it means that you are above ground floor. Ground floor, ground level, doesn't matter. If you go down, it means that you are below ground floor level. Okay, let's put in the floors. So 1 above, 2 above, 3 above, 4 and 5 above, 1 below, 2 below, 3 below, 4 below and 5 below. Right. Now let's follow the instructions and see if we can draw a picture to see where we will end up. We need to start at the second floor. There's the second floor. We are going to start here. Now go 3 levels up. 1, 2, 3. Go 2 levels down. 1, 2 levels down. 1 up. 1 up. 6 levels down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 up. 1 up. 2 levels down. 1, 2 levels down. So you will receive your clue on the 3rd floor below ground level. Do you understand? Oh, I hope you do, because otherwise you will fall out of this game. And you will not stand a chance in winning a lot of money. Okay, but let's apply this now to the mathematics. If I say it's below, maybe you have seen this in lifts or elevators before. There might be a negative in front of the 1. And there might be a negative in front of the 2, negative in front of the 3, the 4, and the 5. So once there's a negative, it means that we are working with integers. Previously, we said that integers, the symbol for that will be the Z. And the Z is from negative infinity up to infinity. But it's only the whole numbers. It is not fractions, okay? So it will be -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, up to positive infinity and down until negative infinity. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take our example here and I am going to rotate it 90 degrees clockwise. I'm going to let it fall like this. So what am I actually doing? I am creating a number line. Our ground floor there, I would say, is 0. Okay? Then 1 above, 2 above, 3 above, 4 above, 5 above. So this will be above. Okay, if we think about my lift calculation. Here I have -1 because it's below. 2 below, 3 below, 4 below, and maybe 5 below. Okay, now let's apply what we did and what we read here according to our number line. So we need to start on level 2. And level 2 was here. Here you are. Right, and then you need to go 3 levels up. So by going 3 levels up, it's also that I'm moving 3 in the positive direction. Here is my positive direction. It needs to go bigger. So I will move 3 in that direction. Okay? Once I'm there, I now need to go 2 levels down, or I'm going to move 2 in the negative direction. So this will be the negative direction. I will move 2 backwards. Okay, then 1 up. So 1 positive direction, 6 negative direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 positive direction and 2 negative. 1, 2, and there you will end up. Okay, now what if we need to write this? I can say we started at 2. And then we had to go 3 up, so plus 3. And 2 levels down, minus 2. And 1 up, plus 1. And 6 levels down, minus 6. And 1 up, plus 1. And 2 down, minus 2. So if you need to calculate this, what will your answer be? 2 plus 3 is 5. And then 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 minus 6. Remember, we were at the 4 and we had to go 6 in the negative direction. And we were then ending at the minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. And minus 1 minus 2 give me an answer of negative 3. Do you understand it? Does it make sense to you? Okay, now how about this? A couple of days ago, I watched the news and there were a couple of weather forecasts, but there was quite one that's interesting to me. The forecast was as follows. Example. Okay, they said in New York was minus 3 degrees Celsius that evening. And Calgary's in Canada, was minus 5 degrees Celsius. Now my question is, which of these 2 cities was actually the coldest that night? Was it New York with minus 3 degrees Celsius? Or Calgary with minus 5 degrees Celsius? What do you think? If you think it's Calgary with a minus 5 degrees Celsius, well done, you are correct. Because minus 5 degrees Celsius is actually smaller or colder than minus 3 degrees Celsius. Or I can think it another way around. I can say minus 3 is actually a bit warmer than minus 5. So if I need to do it according to this type of questioning, what will I say? Minus 5 degrees Celsius, minus 3 degrees Celsius. Which one is bigger? Which one is smaller? Then the minus 3 will be bigger than the minus 5 degrees Celsius. Or the minus 5 degrees Celsius will be smaller than the minus 3 degrees Celsius. Do this one quickly for me. I say minus 420 and minus 425. Which one will you say is bigger? The minus 420 or the minus 425? The minus 420. That is bigger than the minus 425. Because the minus 425 is actually further away from my positive side. Okay, let's do a last example. What will you do if I give you a question like this? Negative 5 plus 2 minus 1. Negative 5 plus 2, positive direction, minus 1, go back, negative direction. Answer will be minus 4. Okay, and this one, 6 minus 9. What's the answer of 6 minus 9? Start at the 6, it will be there. minus 9, go 9 in the negative direction. What's your answer? Minus 3. So, boys and girls, just to recap. Integers, meaning we have our negative numbers as well. And careful that if I have a big number that's negative, it might still be smaller than the other number that is a bit bigger, but I have still a negative sign there. I hope this makes sense to you and that you understand integers by now. Until next time then, goodbye.